You know, the next evolution of AI is using human brain cells. So what if I told you that scientists are already growing mini human brains in a lab and teaching them how to think? And yes, it's exactly as controversial as it seems. So they're called brain organoids, not full brains, but clusters of human brain cells grown from stem cells, and researchers are now plugging them into computers to see if the biological brains can outperform the artificial ones. So instead of trying to stimulate the human brain in code, they're using real biological hardware. These cells fire, learn, and adapt and solve problems. This could mean future computers aren't silicon at all, they're alive. There are real labs behind it. So Cortical Labs here in Melbourne, Australia are growing neurons on computer chips, and Johns Hopkins University is building the first roadmap for Organoid Intelligence. Several US and European research teams are openly trying to create hybrid biocomputers powered by living brain cells. They're not doing it just for fun or just some weird sci-fi experiment. The goal is to create computers that use less energy than AI, learn and adapt like a human brain, and can process information in ways silicon will never be able to. Some of these researchers actually believe biological computers could genuinely outperform every supercomputer on Earth. Now you're asking, where do the brain cells come from? Well, they're from donors, and they're sometimes reprogrammed skin cells, sometimes fetal tissue from aborted babies. And here's the ethical black hole. What happens if an organoid starts to show memory or learning or consciousness? So does a mini brain get rights? Who owns it? The lab, the donor, the company? So we're already arguing about AI that pretends to think like a human. Now imagine AI that's literally grown from human neurons. This isn't sci-fi, this is actually happening now. And no one agrees on what the moral line is. Organoid Intelligence, is it a breakthrough in biotech, or is it a horror film in slow motion? So let me know in the comments what side you're on, because for me, it's a little bit iffy, especially the aborted fetus part.